So we are going to work on double crochet. All right, you can see I've already made a project, like I'm already working on a project. You can see the beautiful stitches. All right, let's start. First off, we go with the chains. As you're familiar, if you know how to make a slip knot, making chains will be no big deal for you. It will be like a piece of cake. So we are gonna start off with the double crochets I have already made. Okay, so like I said, always use your index finger, wrap it on your index finger, and then you wrap the yarn, and then you go inside the stitch. You can see the stitch. You simply take your hook and go inside the stitch. You saw that? Let me repeat. I'll also show you how to finish this off. So first you take your index finger, you wrap the yarn on your index finger, and you hold rest of the yarn using your rest of the 3 fingers, and then you wrap the yarn on your hook. You wrap it, and then you simply struggling here. You wrap it and then simply go inside, and then as you can see, we went inside, and then this yarn you just take it from underneath the stitch that you just went inside. You saw that? Let me repeat. All right, you yarn, then you go inside. Don't lose the yarn, okay? Don't lose the grip of the yarn. Make sure you're holding it very firmly, not too tight, not too loose. Take out the yarn from underneath, okay? And then you wrap the yarn. Since it's a double crochet, you're supposed to have 2 of those stitches. You take it out, okay, and then you're supposed to have 3 stitches on your hook. All right, and then you wrap it, okay, and then you simply take it out. There you go, your double crochet. I'm gonna show it to you again. You wrap the yarn, you go inside, you take out the yarn. You have 3 hoops. I'm so sorry, not 4. You're supposed to have 3 hoops. You wrap the yarn again and you take out 2. 2 is left, and then you wrap the yarn again and then you take out rest of the 2. There you go, your double crochet, because you are taking the yarn, you're yarning and you're taking out yarn out of the 3 yarn twice, and that is the reason it's called double crochet, because you're crocheting double stitches. All right, you yarn over, and then you go inside, you take out the yarn, you wrap, you take out the yarn, you wrap, you take out the yarn. Make sure to make my video slower mode. Like, you can just go to playback option and then you can just switch to 0.5x or lesser than that, and then you can watch my videos in a more slow version so that you can help yourself and learn. I'm trying to go slow as much as possible, and still, in case you might feel like you're stuck somewhere and you are not able to process the method, make sure to go to playback option and then switch to a more slower version of the video. Yarn over, go inside, take out the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, take off 2 loops, yarn over, take off 2 loops. There you go, double stitch. Yarn over, go inside, take it off, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, take off 2, take off 2 loops. So I'm sure that by now you know why it is called a double crochet. The reason behind it is that you are crocheting double times. You have 3 loops on the hook, and then you yarn over, you take out 2, and then you yarn over, you take out 2. Every time that you're yarning over and you're stitching, you're taking out 2 loops, and that is the very reason it's called double crochet, because you're crocheting twice a stitch, and every time you yarn over and take out loops, it's 2 loops that you're taking out. That is the reason it's called double crochet. Easy, right? And if you know double crochet, it'll be very easier for you to know single crochet as well. Often it happens that people start off learning single crochet, but I think you should always choose to learning the moderate difficult method first, so that the step before it is like a piece of cake for you. Once you have mastered a moderate level, it'll be very easier for you to master the basic as well. People say you should start with basic. For me, I start with moderate. I know it's stupid. To some it might sound stupid, to some it might sound wise. We all have our own ways. You go inside, you yarn over, take out 3 loops on the hook. Then you yarn over, you take out 2, you yarn over, you take out 2. That's all. It's very easy if you just concentrate, and then you should love what you are doing. You should enjoy, you should take it as a challenge of dedicating yourself into it. I'm sure you're gonna learn it. Go inside, take out 2, and oops, just happened. It is quite annoying if your yarn breaks off, right? Simply go inside, take out 2, take out 2, yarn over, go inside the stitch, take out 3 loops on the hook, yarn over again, take out 2, take out, oops, it happened again. Whenever that happens, you can just, in case you like slipped, you can just put your hook on these 2 stitches and then grab your yarn and then pull, so that you don't have to start over the stitch. I mean, you'll get a grip of it once you learn. As of now, don't try to do the stunts I'm showing you. It'll be like a stunt only because you're just a beginner. And then pull 2, yarn over, go inside the stitch, take it out, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over 2, and then yarn over 2, yarn over. This last stitch is quite challenging because it is a little bit complex and it seems very confusing. So yeah, like I said, always follow a form of chain system. Like whenever you see a chain, 2 lines forming together, make sure to go inside that chain. Like you should have 2 stitches on your hook. That's how you make sure that you have gone inside a stitch. And take out 1, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, take out 2, take out 2. There you go. Voila, you have your double crochet stitch row. Like I said, the stitch is absolutely beautiful if you master it correctly. All the best. I know you all are going to reach a step towards success, and you're going to thrive, and make sure to stay very focused, and don't hesitate to comment in case you're stuck. Obviously you can choose to different videos also. There are so many videos in YouTube that you can select, and I tried my best to reach out and help you guys out. Make sure to let me know in the comment box in case you have any opinion or any recommendations. What kind of video shall I make, what kind of stitches shall I make, or anything, etc. So take care guys, bye bye, and make sure to reach out. Your comment means a lot to me, and also do not give up. All right, learn, keep on learning. Consistency is the key. Okay, bye bye.